Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can add text in Premiere Pro. First, let's open Adobe Premiere Pro. Then over here, let's simply drag our video to our sequence. After that, make sure to select your video on the sequence and make sure you are in the Program tab. You can see here on the top below, you can see this toolbar. Click on the T icon over here or the type tool. Then place your cursor to the video and you can now type anything on a video. Example, let's type this one and there you go. Now let's say we want to change the location of our text. Just click this arrow button on the toolbar and then click the text you want to move and you're good to go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!